welcome to Kids Fun TV 20. Hello kids, let's clean and identify the animals. So let's do together. Kids, can you guess this animal? Yes, this is a lion. The lion is a wild animal. It is called the king of jungle. It has sharp teeth and strong legs. Lion roars very loudly. Lion. Can you guess this animal? Yes, this is giraffe. Giraffe has a very long neck. It is a tall animal. It eats leaves from tall trees. Giraffe has brown spots. Giraffe. Can you guess this animal?
Wow!
Yes, this is a zebra. The zebra is a wild animal. It has black and white stripes. Zebra looks like horse. They live in grassland. Can you guess this animal?
Wow!
Yes, this is an elephant. The elephant is very big. It has long trunk. It has big ear and strong legs. Elephant likes to eat grass and leaves. Can you guess this animal?
Wow!
Yes, this is a tiger. The tiger is a wild animal. It has orange fur with black stripes. It runs very fast. Can you guess this animal?
Wow!
Yes, this is a cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. It has black spot on its body. It runs very quickly. Cheetah lives in grassland. Cheetah. Can you guess this animal?
Wow!
Yes, this is a rhino. The rhino is a big wild animal. It has one or two horns on its nose. It has thick skin. Rhino like to eat plant. Rhino. Kids, can you guess this animal? Yes, this is a cow. The cow is a farm animal. It gives us milk. It eats grass. Cow say moo moo. Cow. Nice kid, today you learn about wild animals. Clean and wash their toys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe Kids Fun TV 20. Bye bye.